Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining candlestick patterns. I think this is the 8th or 9th episode. Now in this episode I'm going to be explaining candlestick patterns of bullish engulfing candle. Okay, now bullish engulfing candle or bullish Harami or inside bar is another effective candlestick pattern you can use. Now this candlestick pattern mainly must be spotted on a support level. Now stay with me to the end of this video. I think you will have learned a lot in this candlestick pattern. Now bullish 2 candlestick pattern, first candle is long and the second is completely contained in the body of the first candle. Now this first candle is always a bearish candle, and this second candle must be a little bit bullish, which comes and try to fix itself in this long candle. Now I like calling it an inside bar, so do not be confused late in this PDF when you find a term like an inside bar. So inside bar is the same as a bullish Harami. So now we try to break down these names for you to clearly understand or not forget. So these terms like bullish Harami, bearish Harami, layered track, bullish engulfing, people try to forget these terms and they confuse them with other candlestick patterns. But when you master a name or term inside bar, so it's clearly easy for you to not forget. Now we must consider them at the area of support. They tell us that the market is about to go down. Now with a little bit illustration, we don't need to talk about or explain a lot of notes on candlestick patterns. No, it's just mastering with your eyes how this candlestick pattern looks like. Go back to your charts, draw your major market key levels mostly in the daily and 4-hour time frame plus the weekly, then look at your charts. Where is this currency pair heading, or where can I spot these candlestick patterns? Now I have a little bit small illustration. It was on my daily time frame about this candlestick pattern, which is a bullish Harami or inside bar. So we can clearly see that we on this major market key level or support level of ours, we had a bearish long candle. Then it was a little bit not even engulfed, but inside this long candle we had our bullish candle. Now after this bullish candle we had another long candle plus all these candles which are indicating buyers in the market. Now when you experience this, let me say the market has opened and closed with this candlestick pattern on a support level. That means next week you will be experiencing a lot of buying momentum on that currency pair. It can be Euro USD, it can be JPY, it can be most pairs. Why? Market on most cases it respects these candlestick patterns. Now what you have to do is to sit down and master these candlestick patterns. Try to differentiate them between others. Don't find a way of colliding these candlestick patterns, because each candlestick pattern has its own reaction on which market key level it's found. Now for this candlestick pattern to be effective, it must be spotted on support level. Then you enter with your buy entries and you make all this money. So in today's video we've been trying to explain this candlestick pattern, which is a bullish Harami inside bar. For those who have been with us on all these episodes of candlestick patterns, I think you have learned a lot from these videos, because we try to break down each candlestick pattern with its notes. Now for those who have watched this video till the end, I think it has been a little bit short but so educative. Hit that like button and also subscribe plus sharing this video. And also we recommend you to open up an account with Exness, which is our recommended forex broker, and start trading. For more videos, I think if you have subscribed, you'll get that alert whenever we upload a new video teaching about forex.